The significance of success in shaping our lives. Defining success is crucial as it shapes our goals and aspirations, influencing both personal and professional growth. It acts as a benchmark for measuring achievements and provides a framework for setting future objectives, driving continuous improvement and fulfillment. Success not only marks achievements but also propels individuals to set higher goals. The thrill of past victories boosts motivation and fosters a culture of ambition. This perpetual cycle of achievement and goal setting is essential for sustained personal and professional development. Achieving success can lead to greater financial stability, providing a sense of security that allows for more calculated risks and investments. This economic assurance is key to maintaining a steady progression towards both short-term needs and long-term financial goals. Success boosts self-confidence by affirming one's capabilities and accomplishments. This strengthened belief in oneself enhances decision-making skills and encourages taking on new challenges with a positive outlook, further fueling personal growth and resilience. The ripple effect of success extends beyond the individual, impacting communities and families. Successful individuals often inspire and elevate those around them, contributing to a more motivated, educated, and prosperous community. Career advancement is often sparked by success. Achieving key milestones can act as a beacon, signaling one's potential to higher-ups and opening doors to new roles, projects, and promotions. This upward trajectory is crucial for long-term career satisfaction and growth. Success is not just about personal gain, it benefits one's mental health significantly. Achieving goals provides a sense of accomplishment and purpose, which are vital components of psychological well-being. This boost in mental health can lead to more sustained and deep-seated happiness. Creating a legacy is a powerful aspect of success. It ensures that one's achievements have a lasting impact, influencing future generations. This can be through innovative contributions to a field, philanthropic efforts, or instilling strong values in one's descendants. Innovation thrives on success. Each achievement serves as a stepping stone for further creative endeavors. Successful outcomes provide the resources and confidence necessary to explore new ideas and challenge the status quo, driving progress across industries. Success strengthens social networks and enhances relationships. It can increase one's influence and attract a wider circle of acquaintances, who often bring new perspectives and opportunities. This network is invaluable for personal and professional development, creating a supportive environment for further achievements. Learning from success provides a treasure trove of insights that can guide future endeavors. Each achievement gives a clearer understanding of what works, refining strategies and methods. This knowledge is invaluable, enabling individuals to build on solid, proven foundations for continued success. Success serves as a potent motivator, inspiring both the individual achiever and those around them. Witnessing someone's achievements can light a fire under colleagues, friends, and family, pushing them to pursue their own goals with renewed vigor and determination. Achieving success contributes significantly to personal satisfaction and contentment. It validates hard work and effort, providing a deep sense of fulfillment. This feeling of accomplishment is crucial for mental well-being, offering a sense of purpose and direction in life. Overcoming challenges is an integral part of the journey to success. Each obstacle overcome strengthens resilience, teaching valuable lessons in persistence, patience, and flexibility. These experiences equip individuals with the skills needed to tackle future challenges more effectively. The psychological impact of success extends beyond the individual, influencing perceptions and behaviors in broader social contexts. Success can alter how a person is viewed by others and how they view themselves, often leading to increased confidence and a more positive outlook on life. Success and leadership are intricately linked, as effective leadership often stems from prior achievements. Leaders who have demonstrated success inspire trust and admiration, which in turn enhances their ability to motivate and guide others toward shared goals. Goal setting is significantly influenced by past successes, which often serve as benchmarks for future aspirations. Achieving goals provides valuable experience and confidence, encouraging individuals to set higher, more challenging objectives, thus perpetuating a cycle of continuous personal and professional development. The educational impact of success cannot be overstated. It not only boosts an individual's morale but also serves as a powerful motivator for lifelong learning and growth. Success in academic and professional arenas encourages continued educational pursuits and intellectual expansion. Success comes with its set of responsibilities. Ethical management of success is crucial. It requires maintaining integrity and humility, ensuring that one's achievements do not compromise moral values. Ethical leadership in handling success can also set a precedent for others to follow. Cultural perceptions of success vary widely around the world. What is considered a significant achievement in one culture may be viewed differently in another. Understanding these diverse viewpoints can enrich an individual's approach to success and foster greater inclusivity in global interactions. Success and work-life balance are intricately linked, as managing both effectively enhances overall well-being. Achieving success can provide the resources and flexibility needed to prioritize personal life, but it requires careful time management and clear boundaries to maintain harmony between the two. As the world evolves, so do the definitions and expectations of success. This transformation influences how individuals and societies value different achievements, adapting to new technologies, cultural shifts, and economic changes. Understanding this dynamic is crucial for future generations to align their goals with contemporary realities.